Only 30 rupees. We have nearly about above 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh plants. This is our challenge. No one can give you in this price. And you see the lick and strength of the stem. That is very big and very good quality. And according to your selection, we are giving only in 30 rupees. And you will get how many quantity you required. That is 1000, 5000, 10,000, 20,000 plants. Readily you will get it. This is our challenge. All over Karnataka, no one can give you in this price. Very good quality and best price. And we are the challenging farmers and businessmen. Farmer, because we have did the one farmhouse here to have a look. Come and have a look. All different types of 200, 250 types of fruit plants are available. Small plant to ready to crop. Such type of plants, you will get it in the 30, 50 kg drums. 30, 50 kg drums are there. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಥ ಗಿಡ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸಸಿ ಬೇಕು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಸಿನಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಥರ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಟಿಪ್ಟು ನಾಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಮಲೇಷಿಯನ್ ಡಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲೋನ್ ಡಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ರಿಕನ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಫ್ರಿಕನ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಟಿಪ್ಟು ಟಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಥರ so many different varieties of coconut plants also available. And in 50 kg drums, coconut plants also available, ready to get the crops within 1 or 2 years. Such type of big plants. Drums. This quality nodi. Itara ready to crop within 1 or 2 years. You will get the crops. We have so many different types of plants and different type of crops. Very good plants and healthy plants, greenish plants. And ನಾವು ಏನಿದ್ರೇನು ಸಾಯುಕ್ತ ಗೊಬ್ಬರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಇಂಥ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇಡೀ ಮೈಸೂರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ and we are the challenging farmers. Within the 2 years, we develop the farm and we have very good quality of plants. Just come and have a look. If you are satisfied, then you go ahead.